latest version of Adobe Premiere Pro. It goes a few versions back. I'm not sure where this update actually came in, so if you have an older version, bear with me. Here I have an audio file and a video file. If I double click on my video file, you will see this is just me making a tutorial. So I'm getting ready to record that tutorial. All right, great. And then right here, if I double click, I have my audio waveform right here. So what I want to do is actually sync these two up. If we're going to compare this video in a new sequence and we're going to put the new audio beneath it, we're actually going to see that if we're going to do it manually, the audio matches pretty much the same. So yeah, we can do this manually. We can really go and zoom in here and try to match it like this. And I have been doing that for a very long time like this, but you really have to zoom in and make sure that it's perfectly matched in here, and you can make a lot of mistakes and it takes up a lot of time. So we're going to do this automatically. What we need to take care of before we start on creating the automatic merge here, the automatic sync, is actually the frequency of the audio, and this is very important, especially on longer videos, and my tutorials of course are a bit longer than a regular video. So I have 48 here, and then if we click on the video, we can actually right click and see right here in the info tab in the properties right here, we'll see that it also has 48 in the audio. So that's perfect. Most of the cameras nowadays will be recording 48, but it's something that if you see a mistake going in the sync of the audio, this might be the cause of the problem. So what I will do is select both of these video files and audio file, and I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to click on merge right here. And then this merge clip comes up. We can rename it. So this we can rename synced video, for example. And then we can look at the audio. So make sure this is selected, track channel 1, okay. And then we can remove the audio from the AV clip. This just means that it's going to replace the audio from the video entirely. We're not going to see our original camera audio, which we won't use anyway, so we can actually remove it. And if we're going to click OK, it's going to do some work. It's processing right here. And there we go. So now you can see in the project manager that you will have a new file just like this with the exact same settings of our video, just using the new audio. And if we're going to bring this into a new sequence, we can actually see that it has been synced up entirely right here. And of course right here it's empty. This was because the audio actually started recording later than my camera was recording, and then I first closed my camera and then I closed the audio recording for my microphone. So what I will do is actually trim this a little bit, so we can click on the side here, make sure that nothing is selected, and hold Alt on the keyboard. That's going to allow us to shorten something individually right here. So I'm going over the video. I'm going to trim it until the beginning of the audio. Still holding Alt, I'm also going to trim the audio